When making a purchase from SteelChief, there are a huge range of options to choose from to customize your shed. In this video, we'll look at how to install the Louvre windows. Without the glass panes in the pre-assembled window, lift the window panel into position, placing it in the opening and squaring it along the top of the roof. Once done, insert 6 screws along the side of the window panel, 2 at the top, 2 in the centre and 2 at the bottom. When installing the glass panes, ensure you are wearing safety gloves as the edges may be sharp. Slide the sheets of glass into each of the designated brackets, ensuring they are all the way in. Once done, bend the clips over the glass pane, securing it into position. The Louvre brackets may require gentle squashing to roughly match the glass thickness before inserting each glass piece. Once done, you'll have successfully installed the Louvre windows for your SteelChief's shed. For many other optional accessories and SteelChief's sheds, explore our YouTube channel or visit steelchief.com.au.